Why does personal information appear on Google?
Personal information can show up in Google search if it is posted on websites, social media, or online directories. This could include your name, address, phone number, or even financial data. Google indexes publicly available web pages, but it does not control the content itself. Understanding where your data appears is the first step toward managing your digital footprint.
What types of personal information can be removed?
Google may remove sensitive personal information, such as your social security number, bank account details, credit card numbers, medical records, and certain contact information. It can also take action on explicit images shared without your consent. Not all information qualifies. Content must meet specific criteria for removal, mainly relating to your privacy or potential harm.
How do I request removal of information?
To request removal, visit Google's Removal Request page. Fill out the form by specifying the exact URLs where your personal information appears, the type of data, and why you want it removed. Attach screenshots if required. Submit your request and Google will review it before making a decision. You'll receive updates on the status via email.
What happens after you submit a request?
Google reviews each request individually. If approved, your information will be removed from Google search results, though it may still exist on the original website. If your request is denied, you may update your submission or address the issue with the site owner directly. It can take days or weeks for removal to be processed and reflected in search results.
Can you remove the original content from the web?
Google only removes links from its search results. The information may remain visible on the website itself. To fully erase content, contact the site's webmaster or support and request deletion. There are often links at the bottom of web pages to reach website administrators. Permanent removal depends on the site owner's cooperation.
How can you protect your privacy going forward?
Regularly search for your name and key personal details to monitor what's public. Adjust your social media privacy settings, be mindful of the data you share online, and use strong, unique passwords. If you find new personal information appearing, act quickly to request removal and keep your digital footprint as limited as possible.